Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is moving day and I'm so excited. We are finally here. It's just been a long anticipated wait, basically for the last almost 2 months. No, month and a half. So today is finally the day. I just finished getting ready. This is what I'm wearing. I am just wearing some biker shorts, and then I got these are I think they're called Beyond Yoga. I got them at TJ Maxx, and then just this little lemon top. Excited, my pod came in, so today is actually Sunday, the day before Labor Day, and my pod came in Friday on the 29th, and today's the 31st, so I am just so excited. I started getting some stuff out that was like in the front that fell and stuff like that, but I'll show you the pod before I start loading stuff in my car. And then one of my mom's neighbors is helping me, and then I also hired a person from TaskRabbit to help me with like the heavy furniture pieces. So yeah. Yeah. Hi baby, come on. Come here. What? Okay. Okay. It's fine. Yeah, maybe it's just not meant to be. It's fine, Ma. I'm not too stressed about it. We'll get it done. Nope. You want to see our stuff? Ta-da! Look, all our stuff. Okay, go bring her in here. Hey, Ma, what do I do with this? Yeah, but don't I have to cut it? Okay. So I put a humidifier, dehumidifier in the pod, and I'm so glad I did because look, it filled it all the way to the top. So I'm so glad I did that. Hopefully that helped some bit. I'm not sure if it helped a lot or not, but to kind of get that stuff out because I don't know if I put in the clip, but my TaskRabbit person canceled on us literally like 15 minutes ago. So we're out a pickup truck. However, our neighbor's still helping us, so hopefully he can get all like the big pieces. I'm not too concerned, to be quite honest with you, about everything else. I just want to make sure like my furniture just gets there, and we're kind of in a time crunch because he has to be somewhere by 1 and my move-in is not till 12. Even though I'm down the street from them, I just want to be considerate of everybody's time. So I'm kind of getting a head start right now before they come for breakfast, and then we kind of get going, and I kind of want to start loading up my car as well. I have to also empty out my mom's car as well. She has like donation stuff in there, so I need to clear that out so then I can fill that up as well. But honestly, I'm not too stressed. The good thing is now that like I live down the street from my parents, so if I need to come back and like get stuff, I will. Not the biggest thing in the world. So let me go ahead and get a Gatorade. I'm actually really thirsty. Hold on. And get a Gatorade and then start loading stuff up into my car. Hello, it is way later. It was such a busy day, but I will say the move went very smooth. I did move in. It's really messy right now, but they helped me tremendously. And right now I'm just kind of like cleaning up as I go, trying to like see what I have, what I need to navigate, all that fun stuff. But I want to show you guys the process so far. So when you first walk in, I did bring Hazel so she can get acquainted and stuff like that. But I came in, they, like my parents' neighbors, they helped me. So they unpacked a bunch of stuff. They just kind of randomly put it there just so I can see, get rid of boxes. Then I put the kitchen island right there. These are my IKEA Alex drawers. Now that I think about it, I don't know where that drawer, it may be over there. I put my entryway table there because my couch is going to be there. I do need to sell that, unfortunately, because it's going to be too big for the space. And then I put my 2 credenza cabinets there. Then in here, nothing really in the bathroom because they actually need to fix that light there. And then there's a leak here, which is a little concerning because I'm the first person living in here and there's already a leak. So that's not good. Anyways, there's a shower, all bathroom stuff there. And then I did get to put my bed together, except this is upside down. So I'm going to have my mom help me flip that tomorrow, but that should be no problem. I was going to put my Alex drawer desk here, but I don't think it will fit just because of like the spacing in there. Oh, and then I did put my 2 cabinets I had in my old bathroom as nightstands here. And they may look a little taller, but I do have a mattress topper that's like 3 inches high that will even out the cabinet space there. And then so far, this is my closet. So I have my dresser back there, clothes, all the fun stuff here. I think right now I have the behind the door alpha system. So I'm going to go ahead and put that behind the doors. So I'm going to put one behind here. I'm going to go ahead and put one right there. So that is the plan. Oh, Hazel, get off. Come on. So I did put baking soda on my mattress so it can disinfect and kind of clean through. So I'm going to leave that overnight. And I'm going to sleep with my parents one more night so that can be situated and handled. So that is the game plan. My phone is going to die. I've been filming on my phone, so I'm not going to film the rest of it. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Hello, you guys. It is a few days later. I had a rough couple of days, to be quite honest with you. So move-in day went really smooth. I had 3 TaskRabbits all cancel on me, but thankfully my mom's neighbors are phenomenal and we made 2 trips and brought everything in, and now I'm just kind of like settling in. As you can see, there's still like a bunch of boxes behind me, and that is because the day that I moved, I got bit by a spider, and I'm pretty sure it's like that brown reluctus spider, the poisonous one. And I got bit on right here, and it is quite painful, and I had to go to urgent care yesterday for it because it was just excruciating pain. And I usually have a really high tolerance for pain, but it's been rough. So I've just been taking it kind of easy. Today's Thursday, and today was my first day back at work. So thankfully I work from home, so that wasn't bad. So I just rested my foot, I rested my thigh and everything. They did give me an antibiotic for it, and then I got my tetanus shot. I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, so I just wanted to catch you guys up on that. So I believe my couch is supposed to come next Thursday, so a week from today as I'm filming this. Fingers crossed that it actually comes. I think it was supposed to come today, but they couldn't fit it in their shipment or whatever excuse they had, so I have to wait next week for that. But that is basically it. I made my first official meal in the house, which is just rigatoni with marinara sauce, and then I toasted up some sourdough bread and kind of made like a makeshift garlic butter. I just put garlic powder in the butter and called it a day. And then I just have my Coke Zero and water here. So that is that. I think that's up to date. I think that's everything that I needed to up to date. Oh, Hazel's been doing phenomenal. She has not been anxious at all, which I'm like so proud of her. She's usually like really anxious when we first move somewhere, but she's made herself right at home. And I love that for her because I was so nervous that, hold on, why you guys? Oh my, sorry you guys, you were falling. Sorry if the angle, I was like falling or you guys were falling. Anyways, Hazel did such a great job. I was so nervous that she was going to be like a little nervous, a little anxious. She made herself right at home. She doesn't seem anxious. She doesn't seem anxious at all, which makes me really, really happy. I'm really proud of her. So yeah. Anyways, I am gonna go ahead and enjoy this food. I just wanted to catch you guys up because I couldn't film as much as I would like just due to my spider incident. So gotta love that. I just been elevating it, icing it, and then now taking the antibiotics for it. So yeah. All right. I will talk to you guys later.